Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlie. So in this vlog, I will be sharing with you guys what I why I got a reuse content. As you can see it in my YouTube title that I get reuse content. Explain to you guys why I got this reuse content. So at least you'll be aware of what you will gonna upload next time. This one is para ito sa mga baguhan na YouTuber, na aspiring ang YouTuber. Para at least just want to give you some yung previous vlog na ginawa ko before is nag-upload ako ng mga videos na hindi sa akin. So, maybe that one is already counted na siguro nung ni-review na yung channel ko, it was found out that nagre-re-upload lang ako ng another someone else video. So, ito is I will share you those do's and don'ts about reuse content. So how you can avoid them, and also para hindi na maulit din sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin. So it's very frustrating that I haven't monetized. So I already know myself. So and you guys, I will share it to you also so that you will be informed for your future uploads. Okay? So ang masasabi ko lang dito is hindi kayo mamomonetize if nag-upload kayo ng ibang videos na hindi nyo gawa. So for example, kumuha ka na ng videos, anything na hindi sa'yo, na hindi ka naglagay ng commentary, reasons, kumbaga hindi ka yung nire-upload mo lang na wala kang ginawang pagbabago. So it means it is considered yon na ma-reuse ka doon. So, kung nag-apply ka na ng monetization, I'm pretty sure na critical yung chance na ma-approve yung YouTube channel mo. So, these are the reasons why I need to share this one with you guys. So, I have in my phone with me that I haven't been monetized yet. So, I will flash it on the screen here. And then we will review it and I will explain to you. So, just to see it, just to review my YouTube channel, it says here that your channel wasn't accepted for monetization. So, hindi na-accept yung channel ko for monetization due to ito yung review nila sa channel ko. Ni-review nila yung channel ko, then it goes, I think, around 1 week na nag-apply ako. Inantay ko siya. Usually hindi lang 1 week, more than a week pa. Etong channel ko na to is in-apply ko siya last year pa. So ngayon gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, at least ma-inform ko kayo kung bakit kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng reuse content. So ito yung mga examples na allowed sa atin para ma-monetize tayo. So ito is English. So I will try it to explain to you sa Tagalog ko na lang. So pasensyaan nyo na lang kung tama ba yung sinasabi ko. At least I will try my best to to explain to you briefly kung ano tong sinasabi nito. A funny or thoughtful revision of content that you didn't originally create. So, ito yung ito yung approved ni YouTube na pwedeng ma-monetize ka. So, yon ang sinabi ko sa una is pwedeng ma-monetize yung YouTube channel mo by uploading yung mga funny videos. Pwede mong i-upload yun. Basta lang i-edit mo siya. Gawa ka ng i-compile mo siya, pero kailangan gumawa ka din ng comment mo about regarding dun sa funny videos na yon. So, may nakikita ako nag-upload ng mga funny videos na namo-monetize naman sila. So, I think that one is okay. Clips of other people's content as part of a critical review. So, ayun. Ang sinasabi nito is parang kay Doc Adam, kung napapanood niyo yung mga video niya na nire-review niya yung mga channel ng ibang tao kahit walang consent, pwede, basta yung tama lang, i-crop mo lang siya. I-play mo yung part na video na magko-comment ka, and then ipopost mo, and then you need to give a comment for that section. So, yun. Case of a sport tournament where you explain what computer did to succeed or fail. Like, for example, is sa boxing, no? Kailangan mong explain kung bakit natalo yung isang kalaban, and kung paano din nanalo yung isa. So, ayun. Yan ang pagkakaintindi ko dyan. A simpleng pagkakaintindi ko. So, ito yung last na pwedeng ma-monetize yung channel mo. So, edited footage from other creators where you add a storyline or commentary. So, ayun, yun. Andun din. So, parehas lang kay Sir Doc Adam, yun yung mga ginagawa ni Doc Adam. Sir Doc Adam, yan. Gumagawa siya ng commentary about sa mga videos. Ayun. So, for another episode, ito yung mga mali na kailangang iwasan natin para maiwasan natin ang ma-reuse content, no? So, ito yung mga example na hindi pwedeng ma-monetize ang channel mo if you're doing these things. So, short videos that you compiled from other social media websites. So, ayan. Minsan kasi very strict na kasi sa YouTube. Kasi may mga videos na kumbaga yung mga trending na yan, no? Mga trending kagaya ng TikTok, it's very popular din minsan. Minsan kinukuha natin yung mga TikTok na ina-upload natin sa Facebook na. Yun pwedeng pwede tayong ma-reuse content doon if ever na i-re-upload tayo ng ganun. So, iwasan natin na mag-re-upload ng ganun ng mga videos. So, I'm pretty sure maraming nag-upload ng ganyan, no? Lalo na ngayon, mga puro TikTokers na yung mga karamihan ng mga tao ngayon. So, yun. Iwasan lang. So, ito, number 2 reasons why bakit hindi tayo na-monetize is collection of songs from different artists, even if you have their permissions. So, ayun pala, mali din pala yung mga yun, no? Yung mga artist na yung kagaya ng mga ginagamit ng mga ibang creators din. Kung ito is paulit-ulit na lang na ginagamit natin. So, kumbaga, yung una, kinuha niya na yung song na yun is pwedeng gamitin, no? At so, it's very popular na yung song na yun na laging ginagamit ng ibang tao. So, paulit-ulit yung pag-re-upload noon kahit na may consent yung Tama ba? Yung artist na yun, na singer na yun is pwedeng ma-reuse content. Basta paulit-ulit. Marami nang gumamit na mga creators. Pwede tayong ma-reuse doon. So, iwasan natin yung mga yun. So, number 3 reasons why we are not allowed to get monetized is so clips of moments from favorite shows edited together with little or no narrative. So ayun, hindi ma-monetize ang channel mo kung nagre-re-upload ka ng mga shows na hindi ka naman na nagbibigay ng narration o comment regarding sa in-upload mo na yon. So next is content uploaded many times by other creators. So this one, I will give an example. Is this one is kung nag-upload kayo ng mga videos na ang dami nang nag-upload, so it is considered yun na kung ayaw ni YouTube yun, hindi ma-monetize ang channel yun. For example, you get it from Creative Commons. So etong video na to is already maraming beses na siya na re-upload. So wala yun. Parang hindi siya makakount sa makakount siya sa watt hours mo, pero may posibilidad na marireused ka dahil paulit-ulit na siya na nire-upload ng ibang YouTuber. So one reason is like that. So ito yung huli. Promotion of other people's content, even if you have their permission. So yun. Kung for example is itong example nito is kumbaga promote mo yung video ng ibang creator kahit na may approved nila, pero nire-re-upload mo sa iyong YouTube channel. So yun is pwedeng ma-trace ni YouTube yun na yun is hindi sayo. So originally na hindi sayo. So yun is considered na reused content. Ayan. I-share ko din yung idea ko about dito para hindi ka nakapan. So ayan yung mga steps na kailangan mong gawin para at least maiwasan mo yung reused content, right? So I hope you learn something from that one. Kasi hindi pa ako gano'n nito, so I'm still practicing myself. Parehas lang tayo, at least kahit paano nakapagbigay tayo ng konting idea sa atin din na mga creators, no? So at least ma-share natin ng experience natin sa isa't isa. And ayun, kung may mga nalalaman pa ako na gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung past experience ko, no? So I will share it to you guys also para at least ma-inform kayo kung ano ba ang kailangan dapat gawin, no? So ang masasabi ko lang, you need to create your own videos, right? That's what I want you to do. Kasi minsan ang hirap kasi mag-isip ng content, lalo na pagka pressure tayo minsan. Lalo na pag lagi kang nakatingin sa YouTube channel mo, no? Hindi ka gaano makapag-isip ng kung anong content na maganda. Minsan naghahanap ka pa ng ibang nag-iisip ka pa na kailangan yung cellphone mo is maganda. So it doesn't matter kung ano yung ginagamit mo. What is important is you're creating a good content, no? Yung sarili mo lang. So ako, kailangan talagang mag-upload ako ng sarili ko na ngayon. So I already realized it. Kahit na nagre-upload naman ako ng ibang videos, but I have to do it. Kailangan mag-upload ako ng sarili ko. So I have to stop doing that thing na mag-re-upload ng other videos from other creator na nag-upload ako ng nagre-upload ako ng videos from another creator. So yun is hindi pwede. So kailangan sariling sikap natin para at least pag ma-review tayo, ayun, makikita talaga ni YouTube na ikaw talaga yung gumagawa ng video, pinapaghirapan mo talaga. So ayun, I hope you learn something from me, and I will share more information for you guys. What you need to do sa at least ma-inform kayo. Yan, paulit-ulit ma-inform. Right. So ayun, kung bago ka pala sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I am doing some tutorials and other travel events. And also I am also working on a cruise ship right now. So I will upload some videos regarding these things where I am working. So thank you guys for listening at sa pagtitiyaga na manood sa akin. Kahit minsan di naiintindihan yung sinasabi ko, at least wala na kayo mag-intindi. Ayun, and thank you as always, and sana lumago tayong lahat, no? Lumago yung subscribers natin, and have a safe trip kung saan man kayo, nagbiyahe kayo, nanonood sa akin, nasa bahay kayo, kung nasa man kayong lugar, have a safe, stay safe lang tayo lagi, and lalo na ngayong panahon ngayon. So ayun, see you again on my next vlog, and thank you everyone.